Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to use the Meta AI app. First, navigate to the App Store and search for Meta AI. Now, select the app and download it. Then, open the Meta AI app on your phone. Here, tap the Get Started with Meta AI option. You can continue with your Facebook or Instagram account. Next, enter your credentials and tap Login to continue. Instagram needs to access your account, so tap Confirm Account. Once logged in, enter your first and surname. Go to Next and edit your contact info. Then tap Confirm and it will start creating the Meta account. After creating your Meta account, discover ways to use it. Finally, you can ask Meta AI to create an image or get help with your notes. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.